The first step in the journey is preparation. This involves the company selecting an underwriter, often an investment bank, preparing financial statements according to Australian accounting standards, and engaging legal counsel to ensure compliance with Australian securities laws. Following preparation comes the stage of due diligence. This is where underwriters assess the company's financials, operations, legal matters, and potential risks. It's a thorough examination that ensures the company is ready for the public market. Next up is valuation. Here, the company and its underwriters determine the initial offering price and the number of shares to be issued. This takes into account Australian market conditions and investor demand. The fourth step involves meeting listing requirements. The company must meet the listing requirements of the Australian Securities Exchange, or ASX. These may include minimum financial thresholds, corporate governance standards, and disclosure obligations. Then comes the creation of the prospectus. This is a legal document that discloses important information about the company, its business operations, financial performance, risks, and the terms of the IPO. Once the prospectus is ready, it's time for regulatory approval. This involves lodging the prospectus with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC, for review and approval. The seventh step is marketing. The company and underwriters conduct a roadshow to market the IPO to potential investors. This can include institutional investors, fund managers, and retail investors. Then comes pricing and allocation. Based on investor demand and market conditions, the final offering price is determined and shares are allocated to investors. The penultimate step is listing and trading. Once the IPO is priced, the company's shares are listed on the ASX and trading begins. This is when investors can start buying and selling shares on the open market. Finally, there is post-IPO compliance. After the IPO, the company must comply with ongoing reporting and disclosure requirements under Australian securities laws. This includes providing periodic financial statements and updates to shareholders.